Welcome, bird enthusiasts and nature lovers. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the blue-headed parrot, also known as the Pionus menstruus. This vibrant and captivating bird species is admired for its unique appearance, endearing personality, and intriguing habits. Whether you're a seasoned birdwatcher or a beginner, there is so much to discover about these wonderful creatures. First, let's take a closer look at their physical characteristics. The blue-headed parrot gets its name from its striking blue head, which is in contrast to the bright green feathers covering the rest of its body. The blue hue is most prominent in adult birds, giving them an unmistakable, regal appearance. They also have red feathers under their tail and subtle pinkish or red patches on their throat and chest. These parrots are medium-sized, measuring around 10 to 11 inches in length, with a wingspan of approximately 18 inches. They have a robust body and a short, squared tail, typical of the Pionus family. Their dark, almost black beaks are complemented by a whitish or pale-colored cere, the fleshy area at the base of their beak. Their eyes are surrounded by a bare white ring, which is a distinctive feature among many parrot species. Moving on to their behavior, blue-headed parrots are known for their calm and friendly nature. Unlike some of their noisier parrot relatives, they are relatively quiet, which makes them excellent pets, especially for people living in apartments or close quarters. Their calls are soft and low-pitched, but they can learn to mimic sounds and, occasionally, even words or short phrases. In their natural habitat, blue-headed parrots are very social birds. They are often seen in pairs or small flocks, flying together through the treetops. They communicate with each other using a range of soft whistles and chirps. As pets, they thrive on social interaction and will form strong bonds with their human companions. They are curious, intelligent, and enjoy playful activities, like foraging games and puzzle toys, which help keep their active minds stimulated. Now, let's talk about their natural habitat and diet. The blue-headed parrot is native to the tropical and subtropical forests of Central and South America. They are commonly found in countries such as Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela. These birds favor lowland forests, wooded savannas, and areas near rivers. They are also known to adapt to human-altered landscapes, such as plantations and gardens. Their diet in the wild consists mainly of fruits, seeds, berries, and nuts, which they forage in the dense forest canopies. They are particularly fond of figs and palm fruits. Occasionally, they may consume flowers and nectar. In captivity, it's important to replicate this varied diet to ensure they remain healthy. A mix of high-quality parrot pellets, fresh fruits, vegetables, and occasional nuts will provide them with essential nutrients. Lastly, let's touch on their conservation status. Currently, the blue-headed parrot is listed as a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. However, like many tropical bird species, they face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment.